I'm Peter Webb from Record Power. Over the next few weeks I will be doing a range of record products that I have in my own workshop here. My colleague Craig Heffron will be doing the same from our record training room. Our aim is to give you some tips and advice so to get the best performance out of your record products. First, I'm going to clean down my Herald tailstock and get that ready. I'll follow with some other information on the Herald and how to look after your machine. First of all, just slacken your grub screw off. Don't take it all the way out. And just slacken it off first. Take that out. Take your locking lever off. Then remove the shaft. This point, give the head a little spray with some WD-40 and also the hand wheel so as you get into the shaft. It's a good point now just to clean this out as well if you've got any debris in there from your turning. Give a little bit of emery cloth, just give that a little clean. And if you've got any lumps on the top where you may have just locked up onto the actual shaft itself with the locking lever, because if it comes out sometimes it just locks back up on the keyway, just give it a little rub of a stone. Really lightly, it's not going to do any harm to it, and just clean it off. Same with the thread as well, just give that a spray. And move some of the muck in the shaft. A hand wheel, now wipe round from the unit. The main thread itself, you stuff the tissue paper inside and just screw it in, so to speak. What I'll do, it'll clean it out anyway. And fetch all your muck out of it. And finally the main unit, just give that a bit of a wipe inside, push the tissue inside, clean up to the back, your slot, and at the rear of it. Just as you finish, all you want is a little bit of oil, not too much oil. Bit inside of there. A little wedge back inside. And nip up the grub screw. Now that's your tailstock up and running again. Like I say, over the next few days I'll be doing some more posting on the Herald itself, cleaning the bed down, banjo, checking over the machine in general, and then I'll follow on some other products later on. So take care of yourselves, catch you soon. Cheers, bye.